WAGNER make a number of different electric paint sprays you can use to paint your walls. I'm going to use the FLEXiO Universal handheld version. It comes with 2 reservoirs. It allows you to do all the painting indoors and outdoors. Any paint, any colour, any brand. The large reservoir is for doing your walls and ceilings, your emulsion paint, and you can even use smooth masonry paint for outside. The small reservoir is for your woodwork and your metalwork. You can use gloss, undercoat primer, eggshell, satin, wood preservatives, lacquers and even metal paints. I'm also going to be using the extension handle. This simply clips to the unit itself and any of your attachments, and it gives me an extra 600mm reach so I can get to the ceilings keeping my feet firmly on the floor. I'm going to be painting the ceiling and walls 2 different colours, but I don't have to worry about cutting in at the moment. I'm simply going to spray the ceiling white, let it dry, then mask up the ceiling and spray the walls blue. But of course, when doing any spraying, don't forget your mask and your safety specs. Now the white paint on the ceiling and the wall behind me is dry, I'm ready to paint this wall blue. But of course I want a perfect straight line between the blue wall and the white, likewise with the ceiling. So this is really easy to achieve when you use your masking kit. I'm going to start off in the bottom corner, sticking it to the wall on the white side which is dry, all the way up to the top and across the ceiling. Then I can simply spray my area blue, not worry about any overspray going onto the white bit. Then of course once it's dry, I can remove that out the way. That is going to get you a perfect straight line between the 2 colours and save you hours and hours of work cutting in with a paintbrush. Now I'm sure all of you have had the experience on painting walls with a roller. You know how physically hard it is and also time consuming when you have to do 2 or 3 coats, waiting for drying times in between coats. That is the past. Spray paint technology is the way forward. It's a lot quicker and easier, but there is a couple of factors that you must consider. When you're spraying the wall, keep the nib away from the surface. You also want to keep it moving at all times at a consistent pace. When I'm spraying up and down, I like to pass over 50% at a time. So you're kind of getting 2 coats of paint when you're going up and down. Once you've done one wall, turn the nozzle and then go from side to side. That way you're getting 2 solid coats up and down and left to right, which is going to give you a true professional finish in a fraction of the time.